Hi, if you want to set up Sun as ringtone on the Samsung Galaxy S25, then open Settings on the phone. From here, find this tab which is named Sounds and Vibration, and after that, simply pick Ringtone. And now you need to tap this plus in the upper right corner, allow to access music and so on. And now, if you got any songs installed on this device, you would see it in this tracks list. You can also switch from tracks to folders and find it in your internal storage downloads or any different folder. Also, you can manually search for a song and enable to play selected highlights only. Let's say I want to set this song as my current ringtone. For that, I'm gonna tap it. And now I can disable play selected highlights only, and let's check how it will sound now. Just like that. So now we need to tap down button to set it as ringtone. And that's basically it. Now you can see this blue dot near the name of the song, meaning this is our current ringtone now. You can also go back, and if you can see the name of the song under Ringtone tab, then everything is fine and this is your current ringtone now. So that's it for today. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.